So let's just see how we can use cookies in Express application. So we're gonna use the cookie parser. So this is one middleware and it simplifies the process of working with cookies. So we can use that and easily we can read cookies, we can clear cookies, and also we can set cookies. So it will take the cookie header and it will present us with one object with the key value containing the cookie's name and the value. And you can see it has a lot of downloads, so this is very popular. So to install that we have to use npm install cookie parser. So let's just install npm install cookie parser. Now we have to import that. So const cookie parser. So we're gonna require cookie parser. Now this is one middleware, so we're gonna use the middleware. So app.use cookie parser. Now we can define our route. So app.get set cookie. We're gonna define the callback method with the request and the response. And now to set the cookie, we have to use response.cookie, and this method takes 3 parameters. So first one is the name of the cookie. So here the name can be username and the value can be the name of the user like Sam. And third parameter is the options object. Here we can pass different options. Like in example, we can pass the maxAge. So this will set the expiration date of the cookie in millisecond. And also we can use the httpOnly. So this option will ensure that the cookie is only accessible through the HTTP protocol. So we can make this true. And also we can use other options, like we can use the secure option. So this will ensure that the cookie is only sent over the HTTPS protocol. So this is to set the cookie. Let's now see how we can get the cookie. So we're gonna define the route app.get cookie, and we're gonna get the cookie. So for this you have to use the request object req.cookies. Now inside the square bracket you have to pass the name of the cookie, username. So this will return the value of the cookie, which is Sam. Now we're gonna send the response. So we're gonna say cookie value, and then we're gonna print the value of the cookie variable. So let's now see how we can clear the value of the cookie. So let's just define the route clearCookie. Now to clear the cookie you have to use response.clearCookie method, and here inside you have to pass the name of the cookie, which is username, and then we're gonna send the response cookie cleared successful. So we have defined 3 routes to set the cookie, to get the cookie, and to clear the cookie. So let's now open the Thunder client and we're gonna create one new request, localhost 3000. So let's go to the route set cookie and click on send. So you can see here it says cookie set successful, and also we can check the cookie that is sent here on the cookie tab. So the name of the cookie is username and the value is Sam. And also we can do the similar thing in a browser also. So here in the browser, if we go to the localhost 3000/set cookie, responded with cookie sent successful. Now to check the cookie we have to go to the inspect application. So here under the cookie we have the cookie for the domain, and here the name of the cookie is username and the value is Sam. So this way we can check the cookie in the browser also. And back to the VS Code, here also we can get the cookie. So we have to go to the route get cookie and click on send. You can see we have the response cookie value Sam. Now to clear the cookie we can go to the route clear cookie and click on send. So here it says cookie cleared successful. Now under the cookie you can see there is no cookie value, so the cookie is successfully cleared. So this is the way we can set the cookie, and also we can read the cookie that has been sent, and also we can clear the cookie that is stored in the browser. So hope you understand the concept. We'll see you in the next one. Take care.